In the realm of artificial intelligence, expert systems stand out as powerful tools designed to emulate human decision-making in specific domains. These systems are classified according to their architecture and functionality, presenting a variety of approaches to problem-solving and knowledge representation. The first type is rule-based expert systems, which utilize a set of predefined rules to derive conclusions. These rule sets are typically expressed in if-then format, allowing the system to execute logical reasoning based on the provided knowledge base. Rule-based systems are exemplary in fields like medical diagnosis, where they analyze symptoms to suggest potential conditions, assisting healthcare professionals in making informed decisions. Next come frame-based expert systems, which organize knowledge into data structures known as frames. Each frame contains a particular concept, along with associated properties and values. This format allows the system to represent complex relationships and hierarchies efficiently. In applications that require handling extensive and interconnected data, such as natural language processing, frame-based systems shine by capturing the nuances and intricacies of human language. Another prominent category is the fuzzy expert systems. Unlike traditional systems that operate on binary logic, fuzzy expert systems deal with uncertainty and imprecision by employing fuzzy logic principles. These systems can draw conclusions from vague or incomplete information, making them suitable for areas such as weather forecasting where exact predictions are challenging. By utilizing degrees of truth rather than strict true or false dichotomies, fuzzy systems enhance overall decision-making accuracy. Neural network-based expert systems represent yet another innovative approach in the landscape of artificial intelligence. By mimicking the structure of the human brain, these systems learn from vast amounts of data through a process called training. Neural networks excel in pattern recognition tasks and can make predictions based on learned experiences, thereby revolutionizing industries like finance and autonomous driving. Lastly, hybrid expert systems combine multiple methodologies to create a more robust decision-making framework. By integrating rules, frames, and neural networks, these systems harness the strengths of diverse approaches, resulting in enhanced flexibility and adaptability. Hybrid systems are increasingly being employed in complex scenarios, where multifaceted decision-making is necessary, like in industrial process control. In summary, expert systems in artificial intelligence come in various forms, each tailored to specific applications and problem-solving needs. Understanding these types provides valuable insight into how AI mimics human expertise, making significant strides across numerous sectors. As technology continues to evolve, these systems will likely become even more integral to advance.